The range of MORSO notch cutting machines offer unique cutting quality of hardwood, softwood, MDF, plastic, etc. The MORSO range of notch cutting machines are the only machines in the world using knives and not routers or saw blades to cut. The MORSO NF is manually operated. No noise, no dust extraction needed. Manually operated. Patented solution, no CO2 emission. No compressed air or electricity is needed. Place the workpiece against the flip stop. Set the adjustable bead stop to correct cutting depth. Make the first cut. Leave a millimeter or two left for the final shaving cut. The shaving cut ensures the 100% perfect result, leaving no gaps behind when joining. Having made the first cycle, place the workpiece on the other side and cut again. The flip stops are set so the two cuts are exactly opposite each other. Use the center stop to cut the corners. Place the workpiece against the center stop. Move the workpiece and cut the second corner. Setup of the machine is quick and easily done. Replace the nose knife with the new size needed. Side knives are always the same. Setup is less than 3 minutes. Georgian-style windows, doors, half-cross joints, beaded face frames, etc. can all be made with the range of MORSO notch cutting machines. To join the piece, you can use the MORSO KSD router. The manually operated MORSO KSD is electric only. No compressed air is required. Place the workpiece in position. Clamping is done manually. Place the second workpiece upside down, and now you have a perfect 100% tight joint. No gaps are left behind. Easy, simple and effortless, with a unique unbeatable precision which cannot be achieved with any other machine in the market. For further information, please contact your local MORSO distributor or the MORSO factory directly.